Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade on TradingView with Moomoo. In this walkthrough, you'll connect your TradingView charts to your Moomoo brokerage so you can place trades directly from the charting interface. I'll keep things clear and steady, and you can pause at any time to follow along. Start by opening your web browser and heading to TradingView.com. You'll land on the homepage where TradingView showcases market data, charts, and tools. We're going to move straight to the charting workspace that supports broker connections. At the top of the page, look for the main navigation bar. Find the item labeled Products. This is where TradingView groups its core tools. Hover your mouse over Products to open the menu. Hovering, rather than clicking, should reveal a list of options. If you don't see it right away, make sure your window is maximized so the full header is visible. From the menu, choose Supercharts. This opens TradingView's full-featured charting environment. It may take a moment to load, especially the first time, because it pulls in a rich set of tools and layouts. Once it's open, you'll see a symbol chart in the center, toolbars around the edges, and various panels you can customize. Now turn your attention to the upper right area of the chart window. Look for the Trade Control. Depending on your screen size and theme, it may appear as a button labeled Trade or as an icon that opens the trading panel. This is where broker connections are managed. Click Trade to bring up the broker panel. By default, TradingView may highlight a few popular choices. To see the full list and make sure Moomoo is included, select Show All Brokers. This expands the directory so you can browse every available connection supported in your region. Find and select Moomoo from the list. You'll typically see the broker's name and logo on a tile. Clicking it will prepare the connection process. If you don't immediately see Moomoo, scroll the list or use the search bar in that panel to locate it. Choose Connect to begin linking your TradingView workspace with your Moomoo account. Follow any on-screen prompts to authorize the connection and confirm the permissions TradingView needs to send orders to your broker. This step ensures your account is securely linked and ready for trading from the chart. When the connection is successful, you should see confirmation in the trading panel, and order tickets will become available within the chart interface. That's it. You've reached the point where TradingView and Moomoo work together, letting you analyze markets and act from the same screen. Before placing any real orders, double-check your symbol, order type, quantity, and account selection. This guide is for educational purposes only. Trade responsibly and enjoy your streamlined workflow.